So now what we're doing is building the cat house.
Cat.
Yes.
Cat shed.
Cat shed. Okay.
Yeah, if you say cat house, that has other
shed,
implications.
something like that.
Well, we're back at it again, finally building something instead of shoveling gravel or weeding or mowing or trimming.
Yeah, it took 2 days to do that, just for the first 3 acres, probably. Trimming.
No,
mowing.
5.
5.
We're all the way to the 5 acre.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I spent a day in the tractor and on the zero turn zipping around.
Yep.
And then we spent a couple of days
Speaking of zipping around. Yes.
trimming. Yeah. That buzzed the bee. Yeah.
Right. So now what we're doing is building the cat house.
Cat.
Yes.
Cat shed.
Cat shed. Okay.
Yeah, if you say cat house, that has other
shed,
implications.
something like that. But we've been feeding them in the greenhouse for a while, so they've got some shade, all that kind of stuff. But
to keep their food out of the rain too, because it was raining a lot.
Yeah.
Which is why we moved them from the porch to the greenhouse.
The 5 babies, though, they have been doing their business in the greenhouse also, and we want to finally start using it for other purposes, for an actual greenhouse. Yeah. So we decided to build them a cat shed. We've started with the base. We are going to start working on the flooring next here. Once we get the flooring built, then we're going to build the walls and continue from there. Hopefully we get a majority of it done today.
A majority, yeah.
Hopefully we get all of it done today.
That would be wonderful.
That would be excellent, yes.
But our UV rating is at 11
Yes.
right now, and it's 91 degrees, and we haven't done anything, and I'm already soaked.
And we're soaked through. Yes, exactly.
We just got the stuff back out.
Right.
It's a pretty hot day.
Yeah. So, like we said, we're going to start with the flooring, get that cut, get that put on there, and continue from there. So, we should, we'll put you on super speed, and you get to see what we're going to do next.
Yep.
All right.
the deck finished and all the flooring on it. We put hardware cloth out around the base so that nothing can live underneath, like a skunk or snakes or raccoons. We don't want the cats going under there either. Now we're framing the walls, and this building will have 3 windows, one toward the greenhouse, one toward the field behind it, and one on the front next to the door. This wall here that parallels the road will not have a window on it, and that just is going to give us some space to do, you know, some storage options in there. All the cat food and everything is going to be in there instead of bringing it home from the store or taking it into the house and then bringing it out to the cats. It's just all going to be out here already. We are running into some strange, well, not strange, but odd building practices because we're using a combination of regular kiln dried wood and rough cut wood, because what we're building this building out of is what we salvaged from the girl barn when the girl barn fell over. We thought that we would be able to utilize a lot of that lumber for the girl barn when we rebuild it, but we're redesigning it, and it turns out that all of these were, you know, custom cut for where they were. So there were a lot of pieces that were too small for anything, and rather than try to figure out this giant Lego set basically, we just decided that we'll utilize that lumber for this building, and we'll put the you know, we'll utilize some of it. What we still have is new for the girl barn, and then add more new to that to get the girl barn built. So I'll put you back on super speed and let you watch what we're doing. This is going to fall right out. You don't pull it. Actually, on the wood, we're past it. Alright, there we go. Okay.
Nail it.
Well, you gotta. Yeah, on the floor.
Yeah, we'll nail the floor.
Nail it on the floor. I'm gonna get the upside one. actually pretty good. So then this one is in this. Yep. This one has to come to this one. What are we trying to do? Go get a clamp.